Welcome back, DIY family. Today we are gonna learn how to cook Jamaican brown stewed chicken. So keep watching. And these are our ingredients we'll be using today. I will go ahead and season my already washed chicken with all-purpose seasoning, salt, crushed black pepper, pimento seeds, paprika, cinnamon, garlic, onion, scallion, and thyme. Use a knife or food processor to chop your onion, garlic, and scallion. Now it's time to season your chicken. Make sure every single piece of meat has some seasoning. Put your seasoned chicken in a container with lid and place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to marinate. You can leave it in the fridge for longer, even overnight, to soak up all that flavor. So guys, it's been 30 minutes, so let me go ahead and heat my oil while I get my sauce together. Please not put a bag of oil in the pot. You don't want the oily gravy, okay? To make my sauce, I have carrot, bell peppers. You can use tomato. I personally cannot have tomato. That's a story for another time. I will definitely tell you why. Then I have fish and meat sauce, browning, and soy sauce. Also, you can use water or broth. I am using water this time. If you are gonna use broth, make sure to adjust your salt because you do not want your chicken to be too salty. I am about to add my chicken to my heated oil. Cover the pot for about 10 minutes before I add my sauce. Now I've added my sauce with carrot and bell peppers. This is what my chicken looks like 10 minutes later. This can be served immediately, or for a thicker gravy, you can go ahead and add some breadcrumbs. In less than 30 minutes, your Jamaican brown stewed chicken is ready to be served up with some Jamaican fried dumplings, which I made a previous video for, or you can have with Jamaican rice and peas, which I will show you how to make. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and hit that subscribe button. Bye.